From Spaceport Santa Maria, a new chapter begins. A high-altitude balloon lifts Hyperion into the stratosphere. It is the world's first orbital factory vehicle, not just a rocket. Hyperion separates from the carrier gondola. Its engines ignite, and the climb to orbit begins. 2 stages carry the mission upward. This is the path toward a new kind of industry in space. Separation, and the journey continues. The upper stage burns methane and liquid oxygen, carrying a manufacturing module designed to operate in orbit. The vehicle presses higher, its trajectory set for low Earth orbit. Once in orbit, the production cycle starts, building what Earth cannot. This is Hyperion, the orbital factory vehicle. It flies, it builds, it returns.